Saffron tea offers several health benefits. Here are some of them. 1. Antidepressant. Saffron has mood-boosting properties and has been found to be as effective as the drug fluoxetine, Prozac, in treating mild to moderate depression. 2. Heart health. Saffron contains various chemical components that may help reduce blood pressure and provide protection against heart disease. 3. Antioxidant boost. Saffron is rich in antioxidants that help fight cell damage and may prevent cancer or other diseases. Ingredients: saffron. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.